Start.
Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss about the fourth Venn diagram model, that is B minus A. But before going to that, what is a Venn diagram? It gives the relationship between two sets A and B. Okay, from B minus A, what do you observe? I have taken two sets A and B. So B minus A means B but not A. So shade only for B portion, not for the A portion. So I have mentioned here, so B minus A indicates, it read as B but not A. So I have taken one example here. Suppose A indicates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements and B contains 3 elements, 3, 4, 5. So finding B minus A. So what are the elements present in B and A? Cancel those elements. And what are the elements present in B? Take only those elements, and what are the elements left out in A we don't consider. So among these two, nothing is left out in B, so that is called null set. Okay, so thank you for watching. We discuss further videos in the next video. Thank you.